We all love our happy memories and sharing our happy memories and stories that inspire us, that touched us and moved us, and hearing that from others. And this workshop on Star Stories is an opportunity for just that. Whenever we talk about our favorite happy, important experiences, it brings our energy up. We connect with those emotions again, those positive emotions. It lifts us up and brings out the best in us very quickly. Knowing that this is so, we also can learn what kind of questions to draw other people into their happy memories and connect with the best of themselves within and bring that energy out. So, Star Stories is for inspiration, it's for connection, it's for touching each other with our precious memories of life and stories of life and learning, and also learning some new skills to bring out the best in others. So, this is just one, in fact, the finale of our August Energy Camp starting next week, Star Stories workshop. Come and have a look at the rest and do join us.